Hi. Today's lesson is about the present progressive in yes/no questions. I'm so sorry, but can you wait a moment? I have a voicemail message from my sister Sharon, and I need to call her back. Hi, Sharon. What's up? I see. Okay, I'll call Mom. What's that noise? Are you watching TV? Yes, I love that show too. Before I go, how's the baby? Uh-oh, is she crying? Okay, yes. Talk to you later. Kiss her for me. Bye. Look at these yes/no questions in the present progressive. We ask these questions to find out about people's activities now. Notice the word order. The verb comes before the subject. We use a form of the verb be, like is or are, a subject, and the present participle of the verb, the base form of the verb, and ing. You can use short answers. To answer yes, you can say, yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. To answer no, we can say, no, I'm not. No, he's not. Or, no, he isn't. No, she's not. Or, no, she isn't. No, we're not. Or, no, we aren't. No, they're not. Or, no, they aren't. What do you think? Is my sister's baby still crying?